Are you struggling to find all descendants of a specific class in SpriteKit? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to efficiently locate all descendants of an SKNode that belong to a certain class. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to manage your nodes, and you just want to filter them by class without the hassle of naming each one. You're definitely not the only developer facing this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to find all descendants of an SKNode that belong to a certain class. They mentioned that while there are ways to find children, they want to include grandchildren and beyond. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The SKNode documentation does provide a search function for finding descendants by name, but filtering by class is a different ballgame. We need to understand how to navigate this limitation effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that can simplify your node management in SpriteKit even further. To find all descendants of a specific class in SpriteKit, the user can create a recursive function. This function will traverse through all children and their children, checking the class type. Next, the user should implement the function to check each node's class. If the node matches the desired class, it should be added to a results array. After defining the function, the user can call it by passing the parent node and the class type they want to search for. This will return an array of all matching descendants. Finally, the user can utilize the results array to perform any actions needed on the found nodes, such as updating properties or removing them from the scene. Fun fact, did you know that SpriteKit was introduced in 2013? It has come a long way since then, making game development more accessible for everyone. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using the SKNode function that finds nodes by name. They suggest passing a wildcard search term, which is an asterisk, to avoid naming nodes. This allows you to find all descendants of a specific class without assigning names. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by a user involves adding an extension to the SKNode class. This extension allows you to find all descendants of a specific class type, such as SpriteNode. To illustrate, if you have a root node with several children, you can easily fetch all descendants of a specific class, like enemy, using this method. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your node hierarchy organized. This will make it much easier to manage and filter your nodes in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to find all descendants of a specific class in SpriteKit. Remember, a well-structured node hierarchy can save you a lot of headaches down the line. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.